Today's video, well, I said I was going to get one in and make one on it. It's on the Widge key. It's like a keychain organizer. We're going to dive in. This is the Forge Forge Ember, and we're going to check it out together. So let's go ahead and open it. I picked up a wallet. It's on my channel. That unboxing is my first impressions of it, and I was actually pretty impressed with it. Now I ain't got the packet yet because these came in pretty much at the same time. But overall, I do like what I've seen so far of it. So hopefully this overpriced key holder is the same way, because these are expensive, and you watching this video, you probably done looked into the price. Okay. Very well packaged, just as the wallets. So, the box did take a little damage. That's both boxes I got has been damaged stuck at. How do we open this? Same way as the wallet. Yep. It just slides out. It's a very compressed fit. Oops. I'm going to lose the camera. We don't need that, do we? We don't need to lose the camera. And you can see that's the Forge Ember. That's what we got. That's the color of this key if we ever get in it to see it. It looked pretty online. Okay. I like to keep the box intact. Is there a trick to it? Okay. Oh, it's coming. We got it. Inside we got another little card, just as the wallet has up top. Now this one don't feel as good a quality as the wallet's card. It's not as thick, but we got instructions. And meet the key case. And here it is. Ooh, it feels good too. Look at that. That's badass. That's nice. It's kind of a carbon fiber. That's what this is, like a carbon fiber Forge Ember. We get a key ring in it. Right here. It's blacked out. We got two key rings in it. Well, that's cool. Set them to the side. And then we got this. This is to adjust it. And that's basically all you get. Now these are expensive. And I think this is removable, but you need the screwdriver that's in with the wallet to remove this little belt clip. And then this part right here is rubber. Pretty thick rubber too. Okay, I guess let's take it apart. See what we got. It can hold up to, I think, 6 keys or 7. Probably depends on thickness too. Well, you can see it gets pretty wide. Okay. And it's spring operated to get the keys down in there. It's got this little spring here. Puts pressure on everything. I guess that's the thickness that you can have it maxed out. Okay. Now, let's put some keys in it, shall we? Found some keys. So these are old keys from some old cars that I junked out. I do sell parts on eBay, used car parts and some other things. Link in the description below. But this is some of the old keys from those cars. Because once you part them out and they go to the junkyard in the sky, you don't need the keys no more. That's kind of cool. That's an old, like, little sandal. So, let's line the keys up. You would put them in the order you would want them to, I guess, go in this. And we would hold down on this. They would go through here like so. And this will go here. Okay, it's going to be a little complicated. and then we will tighten it up and snug it up. You can see it can hold quite a bit of keys. Oops, key fell out. Okay, that's fine by me. There we go. Don't even know what that little key goes to. Odd looking little key. But we're doing this for demonstrations. Then I have to sort my keys out that I actually want to put on this key ring. I dread that. I got like 3 big things of keys. I'm going to try to get down to the minimum. The minimum, whatever you call it. You don't want to over tighten this, because then you strip it. Then you strip it. There we go, it's snug. Oh, just like a little switchblade knife. Pretty solid too. Does got a little force to them, but yeah, that's pretty neat. I guess you could tighten it up a little bit more, make it a little bit tighter, but you can see it's pretty snug. It takes a lot of force to knock him out. There it goes. Oh yeah, just a little bit tighter. That's all we needed. But now and again, we get this out. But stacking more keys, I would say, would strengthen that spring right there. Back this back off. I'll show you how to unload it, I guess. Put a little pressure down on it. Then we'll spin it out. Once you get it so full, you can just spin it out by hand. Okay, set that to the side. The little bolt, by the way, is strong and metal, but you can see it'll be easy to strip out. So you better be careful with your bolt. And overall, that key has been a little, oops. But overall, first impressions is the price is a little expensive. I think it needs to be a little bit cheaper, but it does got a lifetime warranty on it. I'm pretty sure they all the Ridge stuff does. And it's a very neat way to keep your keys organized. So I'm going to try it out, and I might do an update video after I carry this for a few months and see if I like it. Let me know in the comment section below what made you check this video out. If you're new, get subscribed, check my channel out, and I appreciate you watching.